Be ready? 5 seconds to go. And start. Before the family court, the respondent stated about solemnization of the marriage with the appellant on 20th November 1975 stop. In her written statement, she had denied the fact that she was either a rude or a quarrelsome lady stop. The respondent also denied that she had mentally, physically, and financially harassed and tortured the appellant stop. She also stated that she never refused cohabitation with the appellant stop. She also denied indulging in any matrimonial conduct stop. She avowed in the written statement that the appellant has been immorally living with a lady named Shivangi Stowe. The appellant and the respondent filed a number of documents in support of their respective cases. Stowe, on the basis of the pleadings and the documents, the additional principal judge of family court framed the following issues. Stop. Whether the respondent treated the plaintiff with cruelty by registering various criminal cases, getting the news published, and initiating civil proceedings. Stop. Whether the defendant treated the plaintiff as cruelty by her objectionable behavior as stated in the plaint. Stop. Whether respondent has made false allegation against the plaintiff. Stop. If yes, it impacts. Stop. Whether in the presence of plaintiff the defendant displayed her behavior with Dr. Vishwas Raut, which comes in the category of immorality as has been stated in para 11 of the plaint. Stop. If yes, it impacts. Stop. Issues number 1 and 2 related to the term cruelty, and issue number 3 is regarding impact on false allegations leveled by the respondent against the appellant. Stop. All these 3 issues were decided in favor of the appellant and against the respondent. Stop. The learned trial court came to a definite conclusion that the respondent had filed a very large number of cases against the appellant and not his harassed and tortured by the police. Stop. It also declared him an employee of the factory of which the respondent is a proprietor by getting an affidavit issued in the newspaper. Stop. According to findings of the trial court, the appellant was mentally, physically, and financially harassed and tortured by the respondent. Stop. The trial court framed specific issues: whether the appellant had kept Srimati Shivangi with him as his concubine. Stop. This allegation has been denied by the appellant. Stop. The respondent had failed to produce any witness in respect of the aforesaid allegation and was consequently not able to prove the same. Stop. The trial court stated that both parties have leveled allegations in character assassination against each other but failed to prove them. Stop. The trial court stated that many a time efforts have been made for an amicable settlement, but on the basis of allegations which have been leveled by both the parties against each other, there is no cordiality left between the parties and there is no possibility of their living together. Stop.